Hey guys, I'm Lisette. For those of you who are new to my channel and for those of you who already subscribed, welcome back. And so for today's video, we're going to be talking about BOXYCHARM August box. So the theme for this month is Life at the Party. And it looks something like this. And you guys know it always comes with this little brochure here and it gives you this description of all the products that came with the box. So we're going to start off with Wonder Beauty. So I just used this because I just filmed a tutorial for you guys. So this is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks and it looks something like this. It's really nice, and since I opened it already, I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the inside. It looks something like this. So they're gold eye masks and you just put them underneath your eyes, and so it claims to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. So this is pretty cool, and I got 3 of this on my August box. And I will tell you all the prices down below right here. That's where they'll appear. Next, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what I got, and this is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette, and here are all the shades. Now these shades are super bright. I normally wouldn't buy a palette like this, but it came with my box, so you know I love to play with makeup, so I thought why not, and I created a look for you guys and I'm wearing it right now. If you like it, I will be posting a video after this one. If you want to know how I created this look with this eyeshadow palette, I honestly only like 2 shades from this palette. The other ones are like me, and there's a lot of fallout too, and I don't like to have a lot of fallout when I'm applying makeup, and this has a lot of fallout for me unfortunately, so not my favorite to be honest. Next, I'm going to be sharing with you this Bang Beauty, and this is a gel eyeliner, and it came in the shade Chocolate for me. I didn't use it for the look that I have on, so I don't know yet about this one. So next, I got this Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. I do like a lot of Becca products. I've never had one that I was like, ooh, I don't like it. You know, this is really nice, so I'm glad that I got it. Next, I also got this NCLA So Rich Vitamin E Cuticle Oil, which is nice. You always need to take care of your nails, so this is kind of nice that I got it in this month's box. Last but not least is a metallic liquid lipstick. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. There's the applicator, and let me just swatch it for you right there. And that's what the color looks like. You guys see? It's very metallic, but I'm wearing it right now and it looks pretty good. It's not bad at all. So see, hey, once again you gotta play with makeup. So that is it. I am happy with all of my products that I received except that eyeshadow palette. I like my eye look, I like how it turned out, but there's a lot of fallout, so there's that. And this Bang Beauty gel eyeliner, I gotta play with it more so I can give you my thoughts on it. So that is it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Like for me to do more unboxing videos with you guys, let me know in the comment section down below. And it also, please don't forget, if you like this look that I have on right now, I used many of the products from this box, actually almost all of them except the gel eyeliner. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.